Good day everyone, I'm the student A. Valdez from BSP 1.7 and today, I'll be sharing the highlights of my portfolio in my academic communication under the teaching of Miss Isabel Erispe. This portfolio showcases all the writing activities that I've done through this semester, which helped me to be a better student, writer, and also a communicator. My portfolio contains 8 main activities and it explains the process on how to make an essay starting from drafting. First, I make an essay using an AI, and it explains that even the AI can make so many errors that's far from the other people thinks about the perfection of the AI. And here's my example work. The second one is creating an outline. It's hard to make an outline that develop an arguable thesis, stating some arguments. That is why I made some errors, and this is my activity. Next is creating thesis statement. This activity trains me on how to analyze a good thesis statement and how to make a better one on myself. Take a look at it. And the fourth one is creating the first draft of my essay. I had so many errors on this activity because I'm not good into making essays, but this activity was my first step on how I can make a good one in the finals. Here's my example. Next on my activity is on how to identify kind of sentences and conjunctions. It is fun making this activity because it helped me to understand what my essay needs, and this is my activity. Lastly, making my final essay. To be honest, this is the part that is so much difficult because you have to apply all those lessons, activities, and the suggestions of your learning body on how to improve your essay. But in the end, I made it, and I also got a high grade on that. Here's my final work of my essay. And here's my notes that helped me throughout the semester. The academic communication course has taught me how to organize my thoughts and articulate ideas better. It also taught me how to structure my essay meaningfully and provide logical and coherent arguments. This course also emphasized the need to revise and proofread my work to enhance professionalism. That is all. I hope you guys enjoy my journey on academic communication. Thanks for watching.